We can now go ahead and configure our screen for use. If we press the Settings key, we can access the zone settings. Here we can see that the fade, the edit, and the colour wheels have all been enabled. The DMX addresses for the first and second colour wheel have also been set. To set the address of a colour wheel, enter the address and double-click the label. The tick or cross include or hide the particular colour wheel. Each zone can be set according to your needs. If we scroll down again, we can also set the startup scene for a particular zone. This is the scene that is called when the screen is first powered. This is useful if the system needs to recover to a particular state after a power failure. Passcodes can be set for the whole screen, for the Edit menu, for the Settings menu, and for Engineering Access. We recommend leaving Engineering Access as the default passcode. To set a passcode, enter the number into the keypad and double-click the label. Be sure to tick the passcode to enable it. The last thing left to do is set the universes. The universe numbers can be set by entering the desired universe number into the keypad and double-clicking the label associated with the zone. In this case, we've set Zone 1 to Universe 20 and Zone 2 to Universe 21. These numbers can be set or reset as required. If you recall, our screen is in a 2-zone mode. This allows us 2 zones of 512 DMX channels. If we were using the screen in a single zone mode, we would need to set the 3rd and 4th universe number on the universe settings page. These should always be set separately to that of zones 1 and 2, and duplicate universe numbers should be avoided. Now that our universes are set, we can press the back key and access our zone. We are now ready to record our scenes.